everyone, welcome to this unboxing video for the Asus PA32UCX-P. And so what we're going to do here is, let's go and see what's inside. So we've got these nice little clips that hold everything in place. Take those off. And now what we want to do is just lift this up. We've got here the instructions. So this is the color calibration report, and also the light shade. We'll put that over here. And so this is the i1 Display Pro calibration probe. And so we have that, that's also included. And then we come over here, open this up like so. And then we've got inside all of our cables. So now, once we've got that done, we can then, and then the next thing we want is to remove the stand. The stand is quite heavy. We take this off. We can now lift out the main panel. Now what we want to do here is, putting the stand on here is a very easy procedure. Just put it aside like so. What to do now, lift it up, bring it to here like so. Check it over, looks good. And there we have it, we're all set. Now the next thing we're going to do is connect it up to our system and then have a look at pictures through it. And here we have it. Monitor looks absolutely fantastic.